Markforged too made various improvements to their slicing software, Eiger. Since ROI calculations can be cumbersome, Markforged introduced the new ROI forecast tool to help you quickly and easily calculate how much you save by 3D printing your part rather than sticking with your traditional manufacturing method. For example, let's say we send these custom wrenches out with our product for customers to use when tightening the unique custom hardware during the assembly process. Currently, we outsource these for CNC machining in 6061 aluminum in groups of 10, costing us $34.61 each plus 9 days of lead time. Will 3D printing be a better option for us? Well, we can use the ROI forecast tool in Eiger to find out. With our print orientation established, I'm going to select Onyx as our base material and carbon fiber as our reinforcement material. Note that this combination produces parts with stiffness equivalent to 6061 aluminum, which is appropriate since that also happens to be our machining material. To resist the torque applied to this wrench, I'm reinforcing it with striped layers of concentric carbon fiber rings around all walls. This strategy is more efficient than just filling it completely full of fiber. Over on the left, you can see our material cost is $18.57 and print time is about 5.5 hours. To see how much we're saving by printing, let's return back to the part view and open the ROI forecast tool from this menu. All we need to do now is plug and chug. We need 240 of these wrenches per year. It's classified as a tool. Part function is other, and we currently CNC machine it at a per part cost of $34.61, and it takes 9 days to receive it, which is 216 hours. Once we click Save, we can see that we are saving about $16 per part, which is almost $3,850 per year. And with the huge time savings by printing these wrenches in-house, we are seeing a 97% reduction in lead time. And since these wrenches are of equivalent stiffness to our CNC machine aluminum, this would be an easy decision to make. So let's download this to a PDF and send it to our boss for approval to buy a new 3D printer.